This module will guide you through the MT Systems Heavy Seamless portfolio. The MT Systems Heavy Seamless portfolio is dedicated to bring smooth adjustability and better connectivity into the field of box profiles. The configuration scope of the MT System Heavy Seamless portfolio is relatively wide, starting from wall-to-wall or floor-to-ceiling configuration in the commercial segment, where the grooved box profile brings smooth adjustability in media connections. One of the key connection elements is the MT-THB, which stands for T-head bolt. It can be easily installed in the groove of the MT-90H profile to fix an angle connector between two MT-90H profiles. It gives smooth adjustability to the whole connection along the groove of the girder. The connector can be fixed on the dome hole side of MT girders. It can be adjusted with oblong holes and securely fixed in place through additional cloud holes. It allows smooth adjustability on connections to concrete due to round holes on the other sides of the connector, and the same on connections to steel using direct fastening studs. The narrow version of the angle connector allows adjustable connection for MT-70 girder to concrete, as well as for MT-80 girder, which could be combined with the bigger connector. All of this is important to be able to deal with such configurations. The narrower connector can be fixed to the groove of the MT-90H profile by two heavy locks called MT-HL. Heavy locks are available in 3 different sizes, M10, M12, and M16, and it is dedicated to fix sliders or other equipment directly into the MT-90H profile by screws. Another important fixation element is a saddle nut MT-THB, available in M12 and M16 sizes. For the smaller size, M8 and M10 standard saddle nuts, MT-AS can be used. Saddle nuts in combination with threaded rods and nuts ensure adjustable connections for any pipe clamps from the portfolio. An important part of the portfolio is the sandwich connector, which could be used either for construction of a frame without touching the groove, allowing both directional adjustability or stiffening existing connections. For instance, when additional media fixation is needed. All of these can help us to deal efficiently with very complex configurations and bring significant productivity improvements in constructing the basic framing as well as into various media connections.